Kung duda, silong saya, paglulusa. Kung puso ko ay mapapa, ikaw ang dulo, gitna't simula, nahanapin kita. Nahanapin kita. Sa pagpuntas ng iyong kamay, aking landas, ginagabay, nag-iisang
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our beautiful bride, Miss Caroline Colinayo.
paglulusa. Kung puso ko ay mamapa, ikaw ang dulo, gitna't simula, nahanapin kita. Nahanapin kita. Naligaw man at mawala, umikot man sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan at kaliwa, kung ikot man o ilagang ang bawat daan ko ay patungo pabalik Naligaw man at mawala, umikot man sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Ang bawat daan ko ay patungo pabalik sa'yo.
Pagpunan po natin ang Panginoon. Today we gather not just to witness a beautiful union, but to celebrate a sacred story. A story that began long ago. The first wedding in history that was officiated by a father. God, the Almighty, of all things, formed His first son, Adam, and from him, He created His bride, Eve. Though they were not related by birth, they were always intended to become